And it's not about digital for digital's sake. It's about making everything easier for everyone in the business. People say it over and over again, data is the new oil, but if we're not happy to embrace, we could really, really quickly fall behind. From a digital transformation point of view, I'm really passionate about our transition, but I think the fact I'm so passionate because I know we've got to keep moving forward as a business. If we don't get that data management right, these complicated, quick projects can go horribly wrong. And you can spend a lot of time trying to mop up and make modifications. I'll be honest, we've seen it, we've had all of that pain. So having real control of that is super valuable to us. It just creates a better atmosphere in the business because people are not stressed out thinking about controlling things and whether they've remembered to tell Johnny that Billy has changed something, that actually it's just a thing that happens. It makes people much easier in their job role, and they can spend more time thinking about solving the real problem, which is what we want the engineers to do.